What's your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from United States of America.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I take a shower, eat breakfast, and go to work.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at around 11 p.m.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What do you do in your free time?
I play game with friends.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What's your favorite food?
I love buffalo wings, Reubens, pecan pie.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking at home.
Do you eat out often?
Yes, I eat out once or twice a week.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love to explore new places.
Have you ever been abroad?
No, but I want to travel to Dubai someday.
What is your dream destination?
I want to visit Switzerland.
What's your favorite subject?
I love English.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's very interesting.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter because it's cool.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and hot.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rainy days.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with them.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping for clothes.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at local malls.
Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, it's easy and convenient.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use it every day.
What apps do you use the most?
I use WhatsApp and YouTube the most.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What sport do you like to watch?
I love watching football.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food and stay active.
Do you go for regular checkups?
Yes, once every 6 months.
What do you do when you feel sick?
I take rest and drink lots of water.
What is your favorite movie?
I really like Avengers Endgame.
Do you like reading books or watching TV?
I prefer watching TV.
Which do you like more, tea or coffee?
I like tea more.
What are your future goals?
I want to start my own business.
Do you plan to study abroad?
Yes, I want to study in Canada.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself working in a big company.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Urdu and English.